Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to cash out from DoorDash. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and transfer money from your DoorDash account to your bank. How do you actually go ahead and cash out from DoorDash? So what we're going to do first is that we're going to open up the Dasher app and then let's go into earnings. And it wasn't too long ago when DoorDash implemented something called DoorDash Crimson. So DoorDash Crimson is where your money gets deposited into. So as you can see for this example, I have $6 in DoorDash Crimson. If I click on DoorDash Crimson, it's going to ask me to verify. I'm going to go ahead, next click on transfer funds. And then on this option here, you're going to connect a bank account to transfer money. So click on connect an account. So from here, DoorDash is going to use Stripe to connect your account. So just click on agree and continue, click on your bank. And then I'm not going to go through further prompts as far as what steps you should take. But on this page here, you're essentially just going to go ahead and connect your bank, whether it's Chime, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, US Bank, etc. But once you go ahead and click on your correct bank, it's going to ask you to log in and then verify that you want to go ahead and connect your bank to DoorDash. And so from that, you'll be able to transfer from your DoorDash Crimson account to your bank account. But I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.